Good afternoon, class. Teacher Jorge here, doing this video to present today's work. Alright, so let's start. We're going to stay in the food and cooking context. So we're going to work with quantifiers and present tense. And on session 1, we're going to start talking about recipes. Recipes, you know what a recipe is? We're talking about the cooking context. So a recipe is a series of instructions to prepare something to eat. In the recipe you can find the ingredients, the amount of the ingredients, and the process to cook something. For example, if you have a recipe to prepare aguachile, well, you would have the ingredients like shrimp, cucumber, onions, lemon, and probably some pepper if you like spicy food, right? So you would have the ingredients mentioned, the amount of the ingredients, how many shrimp, how many lemons, how many cucumbers, how many onions, what happens next, what do you do with the ingredients to prepare it. Okay, so that's what we're going to be working with today. But first, let's become familiar with some phrases and words. Okay, the first sentence we're going to analyze is this one. We store food in a fridge. Fridge, as you know, is the short word for refrigerator, right? And the word store means to keep something in storage, to keep something in a safe place. So when you keep your gallon of milk in a fridge, is so it stays good, so you can drink later. So the phrase to store food in a fridge means you open your fridge door and you put some food in there so it stays good for you to eat. Okay, refrigerators can have one shelf or several shelves. Are you paying attention? One shelf, F, several shelves. Change the F for VES in a plural version. A shelf is when you open the refrigerator door and you see a place where you can put the food over, that's a shelf. Big refrigerators have several shelves where the flat surfaces in the refrigerator where you put the food. Okay, so that's only so we can starting the topic. Now, the first activity for you to do is check out this conversation. You have a conversation here in session 1 in the first file, in the explanation file. You have a model conversation like this. Let's analyze it real quick. A mom and you. And the mom says, would you like something to eat? Something to eat. And you answer back, yes, please, something from the fridge. Okay, and then mom tells you, like what? And you reply, do we have any fruit on the shelf? And mom says, there's an orange and some grapes. And you reply, some grapes please, mom. Okay, so if we pay attention, we can see that we are using countables and uncountables. Any, some, and we are using countables and uncountables, right? So we are taking this model conversation and you're going to do your own model conversation. You and your mom, or you and your dad, or you and your sister or brother, whoever you want. So you're going to write a model conversation like this one in your notebook. When you finish writing it in your notebook, you're going to take a picture with your name on it on the top, the topic, and the session, and your name, and you're going to send it to me by Schoology message. That would be activity 1. Let's go to activity 2. Okay, activity 2. In the activity file, you're going to see instructions on what to do. You are going to read the instructions, and in point number 5, you're going to click on the blue color text that says how to make 1 cup pancakes, Jamie Oliver. This is going to take you, when you click here, it's going to take you to a video, and you're going to watch the video. Well, wait, yeah, you're going to watch the video, and then it's going to take you to the web page where you will find a worksheet, and you're going to answer the worksheet depending on the information you got from the video. When you finish the worksheet, click in the section where it says check your answers, and then take a screenshot of it and upload it to the platform. That's the activity. These instructions will be in a forum, and I will be answering your questions and guiding you the day of the class. Okay? See you online.